Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for your Music Minute. Today I am teaching you the parts of the trumpet and letting you see inside the machine. So this is the mouthpiece. Woo, that's what you buzz your lips into. The other side is the bell. Here, let me go in close again. Whoa. This is a tuning slide. You change your pitch a little bit, like if you're out of tune with other people, by moving this. If you want to change your actual pitch, like from A to B, then you have to push down these valves. Now let me show you the inside of the valve. When you buzz through the mouthpiece, it sends air through the whole thing. When you push down a valve, then your air goes through these different tunnels. Do you see those different tunnels? So here's the spring. You push it down and then suddenly the air shoots through there. Isn't that cool? I didn't know that a trumpet could be so awesome. So anyway, I hope this helps you figure out a little bit about the trumpet. Check out my other music minutes, subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates, click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources, and don't forget Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend. Did it? Yes.